Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I decided to clean my dirty car. And I chose the worst time to clean my car. It did need to clean. I had to clean it. I didn't really have much options. But this was Sunday when I was cleaning my car. And we went to get our booster shots the Friday. And when I tell you, I was tore up from the floor up. I'm not even exaggerating. When I tell you, my gosh, I had headaches. I had pain in my arm from the shot. Under my armpit where I had the pain from the shot was also hurting. I had some aches in my body. I had a fever. I was weak. I was really like in my native tongue, lick for six. You know what I mean? That means that I was messed up. So it wasn't just me. Also, my husband got the booster and my daughter. So the three of us were like just not feeling good. But I was hoping by Sunday that we'd be feeling better. Anywho, every day I felt better and better. Every day we felt better and better, but we weren't 100% on Sunday. It's now Monday, and I can say that I'm closer to 100% than I was on Sunday. But yeah, guys, I am here cleaning my car. I'm showing you the products that I used to clean my car. Of course, it was a family clean with me because we were just chipping in to help out because we all weren't feeling good. So I started. My daughter was holding the camera. You saw I was hosing the car down. I was I was washing the bonnet, and I felt so weak. And then my husband started to help out. My daughter, she went inside. I started to hold the camera, and this is my husband cleaning the bonnet. I meant the bumper of the car. And it was just a back and forth thing. I would go inside again. My daughter would come out and she would help. And it was just ridiculous. But it's just what we had to do to get this car washed because we just weren't feeling good. But we got it done. And that's what's important. We, rise above the challenge. And I got help, and that was awesome. So I'm grateful to both my husband and my daughter for helping me out. So he's holding the car down now after uh, washing it with soap, and this side he had to hose it down again because the thing is you want to make sure the car is wet just before you start to put the soap on there to wash it, and then you don't want the soap to dry on there, so you want to hose it down real quick before the soap dries on there as well. And here you see him cleaning the wheel, the rim I meant to say, and he's hosing it down. This is another rim that he's cleaning, and then you're going to see him hose it down again. So once he was done cleaning the car, you can see that he is now drying it off, making sure that the water doesn't dry on there because it's not going to have that nice, shine look that you're seeing right here that's reflective. It will have stain on there. So here I am on the inside. This is actually the next day because we weren't feeling good, so we just cleaned the outside on Sunday, and this is now actually Monday, and I was cleaning the glass with glass cleaner, and now I'm taking out all the garbage and papers and so forth out of the car. No matter what the odds may bring our way, I can see the blessings coming our way, yeah, yeah, yeah. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way, our way, our way. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way. I can't say that life's been perfect or complain, cause life's been worth it. And all because of who he is working. So right here I'm vacuuming on the inside of the car to get all the dirt off the seat and off the floor of the car. And the vacuum that I'm using is a shop vac that I bought at Walmart. So we got this vacuum cleaner from Walmart. No matter what the odds may bring our way, And now I'm vacuuming the back seat and the back floor of the car. If you look on the middle of that seat, the back seat, you're going to see that there is a stain on the middle of that seat, and you'll see shortly that I'm going to use Shout to take out that stain
can see the blessings
on the back
I can
seat.
feel your presence, leaning on the change in my heart for your endeavors. I pray I'm your reflection, I fiend for your correction. The cross brought the connection, and through Jesus is perfection. Life done hit me crazy, been more stressed than ever. Living like whatever, through the rain I feel you drawing closer. Lord, make me better, take me, shape me, use me, I am yours. Take me, break me for the glory of the Lord. Okay, not only does he hold me when I'm down and feel I'm folding, he my coach when I'm the goal. He never lonely, got that hope in he who holy, holy, holy. Keep that rugged cross all on me, need that spirit to control me. Seek that word to come and mold me, yeah. It's like I can feel the blessings coming my way.
All right, so right here you see the hubby helping me out again. He's vacuuming the driver's side of the car, as well as the cup holder and so forth.
No matter what the odds may bring our way, I can see the blessings coming our way, yeah. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way, our way, our way. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I can see the blessings coming our way, yeah.
So right here is where I was using the Shout on the middle section of the back seat to take out that stain, and it does a pretty good job. So right here I'm showing you the Meguiar's car cleaner for the interior of the car. So that's what I'm using on right there, the cup holder. It's what I'm going to be using on the dashboard as well. So every area in the car that has the same texture material as the dashboard, that's where I'm using the Meguiar's. So on the steering wheel, the dashboard, over by the passenger side, glove compartments, all that area there is where I use that product to get it nice, clean, and shiny. So this is the finished product. Inside is nice and clean, and outside is also nice and clean. Thank you guys for watching my video. I hope this was satisfying for you and this is motivating you to go ahead and get your car clean. If you do like my channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Don't forget to click the all notification bell and give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.